Our journey was amazing. We started as immigrant professionals, exploring new business opportunities. We had dreams, and we need to carry out steps to reach these dreams. We're looking for an avenue where we thrive and use our experience. Back then, the window covering business was just an emerging concept. And after months of careful study and training, Skyview Blinds and Shades was formed. And the rest, as they always say, is history. We want a name that's both innovative and very much linked to the windows. We asked ourselves, what do you see when you roll up the shades? Well, a view of the sky. Putting them together is a perfect fit. Skyview Blinds and Shades. Our vision of the future is strong and crystal clear. We'll continue to be the best in the industry, and if there is anything higher than the best, we'll aim for that. We have been the leading brand of blinds and shades in Calgary to date. We have made more than 50,000 shades and served thousands of households. And the numbers keep on growing.